Guys, can we do it live? Do it live? How do we do it live? How do we do it live?
Vamos por allá. This.
I was gonna jump on that. Like, someone just opened the door.
Badass cars. Look at them. Párate ahí al lado.
Hey,
Gente, let's see the other ones.
what?
Mira.
Yo, these are all fluffy.
No toques, don't touch.
Can we go look at that?
Mira. Look at this.
Is that Felix?
No.
I was looking at it. Studying it.
Let's go Patriots tomorrow, huh?
Yes, sir.
Right here, look at this is the Super Bowl right here, bro.
I wish. Good luck. Let's go.
We want to go to the building. I want to go to the building.
Which one do you like?
I like
The red one?
They have light power?
Like
They have a light? Oh my goodness, look at that. Yo. They even have Minions, they even have Mickey and Mickey.
Let's see the other ones.
What is that? Is that Felix?
Let's see.
Is that Felix the cat? Is that Felix the cat?
I think it is. This is a perfect bicycle for you. Nice, huh? Don't touch anything.
Really? Perfect bicycle for me, you're crazy.
Yo, metal.
Mexico?
Mira.
Is that a
Look.
bat? Yo, who keeps a bat? What the?
Shh. Vente.
You're literally putting your voice in it. Oh, that's a real heart.
Toma. Ahora pon la mano atrás. ¿Listo?
Did it over?
That's really badass.
Video we ever did.
That one. This is a Chevrolet.
Oh, I think I know how we put wheels.
Alex.